3, 2, 1, go!
They don't call their heads, so just shoot them. Run first, then shoot!
Oh, this. What the fuck? 3, 2, 1,
go! Where is he?
Yo, sniper.
You're lucky there's a prototype ammo because that would have cost you about $8.
Fuck this.
Yo,
it's not shooting.
shot.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Bro, it's not shooting.
What do you mean? Safety.
Oh, where's safety?
Yo, don't keep clicking it while you're pointing at
each other. What the fuck? Yeah.
Let's go! Make a move!
Like, seriously? That's nothing.
Come on, let them play fair.
Oh,
I know, but it's. Okay.
Let him finish it first.
Okay.
Shoot him back. Shoot him on the way back.
Trying to get
Everyone load up. Everyone load up.
Everyone load up.
Shoot his vest, or else it's pretty gay for him.
He just shoot the car.
Move!
It's like a Mexican standoff. It's not going fucking anywhere.
retarded.
No one wants to move.
They can see each other, right? That's a big
Let's give him some motivation.
Yeah. And the fact that, like, we don't count window
Was that fabric
shots if you're
sound?
standing in front of
Yeah,
it.
exactly. The car
Oh,
seat.
you know?
They should break all the
It's
windows.
like,
seriously.
yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh. Getting
Go,
some.
Johnny!
Good move.
Ah, smart boy.
Yo!
Good move.
Why would you want to get closer to the fucking gas gun? You see what it did to his hand?
What happened?
When I went up, when I shot you.
broke it or some shit. No, that was bone, so it will.
But he's a man, though.
Your wrist joint.
Shoot him in the ass.
Okay.
Not him.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, you missed, dude.
Curve.
They're playing quite tactically.
Curve.
A jumping shot. Oh, what the fuck? Call it a draw, call it a draw, call it a draw, man. Fuck, before blood comes out.
In the nuts!
Good mask. Fuck.
Move it.
Motivation to move or we're gonna shoot you!
No.
Go, Melvin!
Give them time.
Come on, man, you can do it!
Bang up by your girlfriend! His girlfriend, Jonathan.
Come on, Jonathan!
Alright, good job!
Get your girlfriend!
No, that guy's bald.
Wait till he gets beside the car.
Yeah, put this shit on. Come on.
No, shit, you're not there. I don't want to fucking hit in the eye.
Go here.
I have my mask on. Everyone's like standing so close with your fucking mask on. Are they lagging?
Let's go! Blue car, let's go!
Come on, Melvin!
Let's see some action!
Oh.
Wow, retard, get your gun off!
Do some Call of Duty!
Hey, you want to play bat? Oh, good
Woo!
time. I'm running out of gas, man. I have no chance yesterday.
Wow!
The gas
That wasn't. Is that definitely happening?
Has to make his way over here without getting shot by my gun and George's. You feeling confident about winning?
What time it is?
Yeah, let's do this.
And he gets $20 if he
If he wins, he gets $20, but I'm not sure he will. No, start at the red thing. We're not dicks.
What?
Right behind the red!
Start behind the red, buddy. Don't worry about it.
Now, let's go! Let's go!
3, 2, 1, go!
If he's smart, he's run all the way.
No. What, is he running?
You should run straight.
Yeah, 5 seconds.
No, straight up, we give you too easy a lead shot.
Exactly. Wait till it gets closer. 5 seconds! Yo, you have to... George, get that thing.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh! 2, 3. Whoa! Shit, this is on night.
I wait for him to come closer.
5.
Like, he has to come here anyways.
He's tiring himself out like fuck right now.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh shit! Look at that hop up.
Fucking hop.
Aim a bit lower.
Dude, you guys, Jerry, when he comes in, just
He's not gonna. Johnny, you have to advance. Come on. Fuck this guy.
Why is he even treating, huh?
I'm probably reloading. Dude, run on the other side of the car, so you can get to the fucking plant pot, dude.
Oh shit!
Oh fuck, load up.
Reload.
Reload.
Oh, he didn't take advantage of it.
No, no.
Dude, it's been more than 5 seconds.
5 seconds, run.
Oh shit.
Oh, he got him.
Ah, fuck. Oh, fuck, he got ripped. Just say this.
No, Chris, shut up. That's
Come over the car!
This is fucking funny.
Come over the car, Johnny!
Oh, what the fuck is
Come over the car! On top! On top! Oh, fuck.
Oh, he got bullets.
Go run!
Holy shit.
Run! There's no way! What the fuck did he do? Oh my god.
No way, he made it all the way to the fucking other side.
Oh,
Yep.
man! You help him, man.
Oh, look, backstab.
Oh my god. Remember, you got how did you know?
Whoa, that's a big.
Oh shit!
Dude,
oh
that's
shit!
fucking
Oh shit! Oh fuck!
Ah.
Shit! Rushed it.